Hey y'all! Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Jamaican mangoes. Get ready to discover 30 unique and delicious varieties that you absolutely need to try. From the sweet and juicy Julie to the rare and prized Blackie, Jamaican mangoes are a feast for the senses. I'm talking sunshine yellow, vibrant orange, and deep crimson red. So grab yourself a glass of lemonade, sit back, and get ready to explore the wonderful world of Jamaican mangoes. This little beauty is a Jamaican classic for a reason. It's got that perfect balance of sweet and tart. Now, if you're looking for a mango with a little extra something, the East Indian is for you. Don't let the name fool you. This mango is anything but ordinary. It's a rare treat. Chapter 4, Bombay. This mango is like sunshine in a bite, sweet, juicy, and oh so delicious. Chapter 5, Stringy. It might sound a little funny, but don't let the name fool you. The flavor is incredible. Chapter 6, Hayden. This one's a classic for a reason. It's the mango that dreams are made of. Chapter 7, Tommy Atkins. This mango is a workhorse. It's perfect for smoothies, salsas, or just eaten straight up. Chapter 8, Keat. This late bloomer is worth the wait. It's big, juicy, and oh so satisfying. Chapter 9, Kent. If you're looking for a mango that's smooth like butter, look no further than the Kent. Chapter 10, Valencia Pride. This mango is bursting with tropical flavor. It's like a vacation in every bite. Chapter 11, Palmer. This mango is perfect for those who like a little firmness in their fruit. Chapter 12, Irwin. With its vibrant red skin, the Irwin mango is a real showstopper. Chapter 13, Glen. This mango is so smooth and creamy, it's like velvet on your tongue. Chapter 14, Carrie. Don't let the small size fool you, this mango is bursting with flavor. Chapter 15, Floragon. This mango is the perfect balance of sweet and tangy. Chapter 16, Nam Dak Mai. This Thai variety is a real treat. It's sweet, aromatic, and oh so delicious. Chapter 17, Alfonso. They don't call this mango the king of mangoes for nothing. It's rich, creamy, and fit for royalty. Chapter 18, Atalfo. This little mango is as sweet as honey. It's perfect for a quick snack or a delicious dessert. Chapter 19, Edward. This premium mango is a real treat. It's perfect for special occasions. Chapter 20, Fairchild. This mango is small but mighty. It's bursting with flavor. Chapter 21, Graham. Another Jamaican favorite, the Graham mango is sweet, rich, and oh so satisfying. Chapter 22, Lancetilla. This mango is not for the faint of heart. It's big, bold, and full of flavor. Chapter 23, Malika. This Indian variety is a real gem. It's sweet, aromatic, and simply delicious. Chapter 24, Neelam. This little mango is a flavor bomb. It's sweet, rich, and oh so aromatic. With its vibrant color and juicy flesh, the Austin mango is a real showstopper. This dwarf mango might be small, but it's big on flavor. This Hawaiian variety is a real treat. It's sweet, rich, and oh so delicious. Chapter 28, Southern Blush. This mango is like a taste of the tropics. It's sweet, juicy, and oh so refreshing. Chapter 29, Van Dyke. With its vibrant color and sweet, tangy flavor, the Van Dyke mango is a real winner. Chapter 30, Zill. This premium mango is the perfect way to end our mango adventure. It's rich, sweet, and simply unforgettable. outro until next time, mango maniacs. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey through Jamaican mangoes. I hope y'all enjoyed learning about all these incredible varieties as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. See y'all next time.